Hi and welcome to this week's project. This week's project's there's a purpose to me making this one this week, which is very unusual for me, and I'm going to just take a couple of minutes just at the front of this video to explain what this video is about. Steve from Temple Boy Turn-Ins is doing a charity event called the Curing Friends campaign this year. A lot of makers are making stuff to auction to try and help raise money. Now there's two reasons that they're making money, and it's for a young man called Brandon Sumlin. He has cystic fibrosis and has struggled his whole life until April this year. He had an operation. He had a lung transplant, which, you know, possibly gives him another chance at life, but his family are now left with a massive amount of debt, and there will be continual money that they will need to find in order for continual treatment for Brandon. So 50% of what's made at this auction will go to Brandon. The other 50% will go to Cystic Fibrosis Canada to help support that charity. So it's a really great cause for this campaign, and you know, well done Steve for getting it together and getting that out there. So this project is going to be going into the auction for that, and it's a rainbow project is what I've named it, and it's really just, I think it's about hope. This box, that's what it means to me when making it. Colours of the rainbow, the pot of gold thing, but it's just about having some hope. I will quickly show you what I will be making. It's this little box here. I really hope you enjoy this video, and thank you very much for coming along today.
I went out and tried to cut a pine tree down, fell through the ground like Alice. Oh, what a sound! This must be a nest. I got rocks and sticks against my chest. I'm Alice, dear queen of hearts. I'ma grow you white roses so you can learn to be kind. Tell king of hearts to arm all his forces so you can learn to be kind. Oh, what a start! Inside out and upside down. No stress, I'ma clean up this mess like Alice. First hand me scissors, then bring out the heavy artillery. Oh, justice is my middle name. I'm Alice. Dear queen of hearts, I'ma grow you white roses so you can learn to be kind. Tell king of hearts to arm all his forces Sailors passing on the street, are you ready for peace? Ships are filling up fast, are you ready for ease? Forget bad memories and leave those hurting knees behind. Birds are filling up the sky, are you willing to try? Right. Sing along as they hum and be fulfilled. Many more will come, many more under the sun. Pack your finest suit. We will keep it steady, we will be the confetti. If we fail, we just reboot. Grass is greener on this side, are you ready for new? New beginnings, new pride, let your spirit shine through. Many more will come, oh, many more under the sun. Pack your finest suit, and we will keep it steady. We will be the confetti, and if we fail, we just reboot. Nothing can hold us back. Oh, nothing can take us down. We stand joined. Many more will come, oh, many more under the sun. Pack your finest suit.
I hope you enjoyed that video. Thanks very much if you've lasted this long in the video for watching it, because it is a little bit longer than my normal video. I'm going to put all the links below to the campaign that's happening and Steve's channel. Please do go and check them out below. You can also find out a lot more about Brandon. His story is in there. Go and have a read of it, and you know, thanks very much. Do anything that you can to help them out with this campaign. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed.